2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, cruise control, heated driver's seat, compass, passenger airbag, trip computer, fog lamps, remote power door locks, power windows, leather seats, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, heated passenger seat, driver memory seats, power heated outside mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.